A decent above ground pool can easily run you several $100s. Since you and your family will be swimming in it for the next 7 to 15 years, you really don't want to screw up the purchase. So here's what's worth looking at. The 18-foot Intex Ultra XTR, which holds over 6,000 gallons of water. At 52 inches deep, it's the sweet spot for kids who want to actually swim, not just wade. It has a 3-ply liner with polyester mesh that handles the usual abuse, so shoving off the walls during Marco Polo won't shred it. You get a 2,100 gallon per hour sand filter that can cycle all the water in about 3.5 hours. But a common complaint among owners is that the pump feels undersized, so budget for a stronger filter down the road. There's also an included ground cloth that goes underneath to protect the liner. You'll appreciate it if your backyard has sandy soil. It prevents grit from sticking to the liner's underside, which is a pain to remove when folding for storage. But it is thin, and you may need to buy a geotextile cloth if your yard has sharp debris. Then there's the Bestway Power Steel that gives you a rectangular 18 by 9 foot footprint, which makes sense if a round pool won't fit in your yard. At 48 inches, it's 4 inches shallower than the Ultra XTR, and the water will sit closer to chest level on most adults. Also, the box weighs close to 100 pounds, and most owners agree that moving it alone is a recipe for a pulled muscle. One standout is the click lock assembly with no screws that comes apart without a fight when winter hits. No ground cloth is included, so you'll need your own tarp. When filling it, don't panic when the frame curves inward. It will look like the whole thing is about to collapse, but once all 3,913 gallons are in, the water pressure pushes it back out and straightens the walls. The ChemConnect dispenser is a nice touch, attaching to the wall and using the pump's flow to spread chemicals evenly. And lastly is the Funsicle Oasis, which is also rectangular at 18 by 9 feet, but matches the Intex at 52 inches deep, giving you more room than the Bestway. The rectangular shape also means you can get actual strokes in, not just float. It comes with more accessories out of the box, like a maintenance kit and repair patches for small punctures. The herringbone print on the exterior and honeycomb pattern inside give it an elegant touch compared to standard blue. The annoying part is that unlike the Intex and Bestway, which include sand filters where the sand lasts for 5 years, Funsicle has a cartridge filter. To be fair, it does work, but it means you'll be buying replacements every 1 to 3 years. You also can't fill it completely because the side skim replacement limits your water line. Some owners bypass this by adding a separate sand filter, which draws water through its own intake.